I want to make a quick video on these motion sensing lights. So these turn on with motion, hence the motion sensing part of them. They are USB-C rechargeable and they're linking. So once one turns on, so if you're at the top of the steps, they all turn on. You can install these with a supplied plate here. It's got 3M tape and you can magnetically attach it. So you can 3M tape this to the wall and then this magnet attaches right here. There's 2 settings. So I have this on the highest settings. You can also adjust the brightness right here with this red button. There's 3 different brightnesses and this is where you get the power in. They are rechargeable and they have the light that sticks down there just like that. It's a 5-pack, that's the one I got. And like I said, they are linkable and it looks really good. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but it's just a really good look. We're still playing with exactly where we're gonna put them. We have 1 on the landing, 3 on these first steps, but I really like the rechargeable aspect of them. They come with actually I think it's like 5 different USB cords, so you can charge them with the USB-C cords that it supplies. And I like that you just pull them off the wall. This plate stays on the wall and then you just reattach it. So really simple setting. And I like that they link together. So once the one turns on, they all turn on, right? So really neat, extremely bright. You can adjust them, like I said, pretty neat. And they also have this like fabric. Let me show you. That's coming through, kind of like a fabric look there. So I have the light on now. But that's what they look like. Again, I'll turn the lights out. They're definitely a warm colored light. They're not like that abrasive white LED, but this brightens up this. And it really highlights that we need new rugs.